welcome back to another video. In today's video, I want to discuss what every person needs in their car. There's a difference between wants and needs, but these are gonna be needs. Like, these are some stuff that you should probably invest in because it'll help you out a lot. Make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Also, follow me on Instagram, link in description. All right, so the first thing that you're gonna want to have in your car is a charging cable. Doesn't matter if you're an iPhone user or a Samsung user, you need a charging cable for your device. So if you're like me, you like to go on long trips and stuff, you probably don't want to go on like a 10-hour long drive and only have your phone as your GPS without having a charging cable, because then your phone is gonna die and then you're gonna be stranded in the middle of the road and you're not gonna have anybody with you and you're gonna die. That's the first thing. Always keep your phone charged. It's pretty important. So the second thing that you're gonna wanna have in your car is a fragrance. Yep, you heard me. Because if you're driving around with your friends or your parents, your girlfriend or your boyfriend, and they step inside your car and it smells like ass in here, fragrances are pretty important because I just like to have my car smell good. So my buddy gave me this one from China. So I have this in the back of my car. I just put it in the back cup holder and it smells amazing. So make sure to keep some type of fragrance in your car so that way it always smells fresh. The next thing you're gonna wanna have in your car is some cologne. So I have some Old Spice in my car. I just put it in like the center stack or whatever it's called inside here. If you smell decent already, it doesn't hurt to just use a little touch up, you know, just keep yourself fresh. Next thing you're gonna wanna have in your car is a trash bag. If you have extra stuff inside of your cup holders or anything, you definitely wanna try to get a trash bag. Just like any regular plastic bag, just fill it up, and I recommend just keeping it in your back seat so that way nobody sees it when they come inside of your car. And you know, you can just throw it away like once a week or like every other week, especially if it's only like paper or like parking tickets that you don't want anymore. So yeah, trash bag. This is definitely a need. It's not a want, and it is not necessarily a radar detector, but you're gonna wanna invest in a dash cam. Why, you ask? Well, for your own safety. There are so many bad drivers out here today that, like, let's say for example, you're at a traffic light and nobody's moving, and then all of a sudden the person in front of you accidentally puts their car in reverse and slams into the back of you. Guess whose fault it's gonna be? Yours. But if you have a dash cam to show evidence, then all you have to do is just transfer the files from your dash cam to your smartphone, and boom, there's evidence. It saves you so much of a headache. It'll save you money. They're only like, I think a decent one is a couple $100s. So you definitely want to invest in it just because like you just want to have peace of mind whenever you're driving, and because it can help you in a lot of certain ways. So dash cam, definitely a need. The next thing that you're gonna want to have is a phone mount. These help so much. You place the magnet on the back of your phone case and you just place the mount inside of like your air vent or something, and it's a very strong hold. It's so good. It's not gonna fall off. The magnet is very, very strong, so no need to worry. And like I said before, you definitely want to invest in a phone mount, because if you're driving on the highway and you have Google Maps or something open and it's in your lap or something, that's just very unsafe. Like if you want to know what your next exit is and you have to keep looking up and down to see like what your exit is, it's going to put your own life and your own safety at risk. So just invest in a $15-$20 mount and you're Gucci. So the next thing that you're going to want to have is one of these. It's an emergency kit, so I don't want to sound like pessimistic or anything, but you never know what's going to happen. So you want some kind of like emergency kit. And what this one is, I forgot where I bought it. I think I got it at a gas station. I don't know how to say it, but it's like some kind of like multi-tool. And it basically has a flashlight in the back over here. It has a seatbelt cutter, like this part over here is just for protection. So like there's a hidden blade in there, if it'll focus. So there's like a hidden blade right over there. I hope you can see it. And it's a seatbelt cutter, and you never know what's gonna happen. If you get in a car accident and your car rolls over and your seatbelt is like suffocating you, if you're alive, then you're gonna want to have one of these. And this top piece over here, it pretty much shatters glass. So like I said, you never know what's gonna happen, but in times of need, all you gotta do is press it really hard against the window and it'll shatter. Definitely invest in one of these. You never know what's gonna happen. So yeah, there you go. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, and I will see you in the next one.
Gun finna jump for the shit. All top when I speak, all cap with the speech till they caught up in the rapture. I'm so out of line with the phrase game. Let's take a break, been a long day. Hit your line, what you fall through with the light sticks. Maybe help me spark the ideas. We got nowhere else to go, it's only up from there.